Yo, what is going on YouTube? I am Germ here, as you guys can see up on the screen today. Today, I wanted to talk about Advaxis Immunotherapies. This is ticker symbol ADXs. And this is a very small market cap company sitting at right around $85 million. But man, there were some big gains in this company on the market today, right around 23% up. Intraday, it was up even higher, hitting a peak of right around, looking at this chart, 71 cents. It did close at right around 58 cents, and it has continued to fall a little bit in the after hours, but still very big gains for just a single day. Even after hours, I still think the gains would be around 20% up. And today we're going to be talking about what exactly is going on with Adxs, what the future might have in store for it, why it jumped up so big today, and yeah, just giving you guys all the latest news about the stock market and financial world. So definitely drop a like if you guys do enjoy that. I would appreciate it so much, and subscribe to stay up to date on my latest content so you guys don't miss out on anything we've got going on in the near future. We're on the road to 1,000 subs. That would be absolutely insane. With that being said, here we go. So Adxs, why did it pop off today? This article comes from Yahoo Finance, where they talk about Adxs and a privately held Biosight have entered into a merger agreement to create a public company that will prioritize the clinical advancement and commercialization of Biosight's lead product. I'm not even going to try to pronounce that. BST-236. BST-236 is currently being investigated as a single agent in a phase 2B trial for the first line treatment of acute myeloid leukemia. The combined company is expected to have approximately $50 million in cash equivalents, and marketable securities at closing. And following the closing, which is expected to occur in the second half of 2021, it's July, so we're kind of already in the second half of 2021, so I guess this could be coming anytime. Who knows? I assume they mean a little bit later in 2021. Advaxis will be renamed Biosight Therapeutics and will trade on NASDAQ under the ticker symbol BSTX. Upon completing the merger, Advaxis' equity holders will own approximately 25%, meaning obviously the people who are owning this Adxs stock, and Biosight equity holders, again a private company, will be holding 75% of the new entity. After the agreement is complete, Ken Berlin will lead the combined company and serve as a president and CEO. The senior leadership of the combined company will also include Roy Golan, the CFO, Andres Gutierrez, Daryl Cohen as the CMOs. Additionally, the board of directors of the combined companies will include 9 directors, 6 designated by Biosight, 2 to be represented by Advaxis, and David Sidransky will be nominated as the chairman of the board. Biosight and Advaxis will hold a conference call and webcast today, 8:30 a.m. to talk about this. And again, the shares were up 48, almost 50% on the day when this news came out. Yes, things did chill out as people continue to digest this news and everything that was going on, because it's pretty complicated, It sounds like a big deal. Obviously, a reverse merger for the Adxs. Could be a big opportunity for the future, but also they're only going to have 25% of that new company. So when you start evaluating how much this means and how much this could potentially be worth in the future, and then taking away 3/4 of that, it's all a bunch of crazy math. But obviously, Adxs thinks it's a good deal for them. They decided to make this. There's some shareholders, and the stock market responded pretty much the same thing, and this is a good deal, but we'll have to see how this goes. Obviously, over the past week, the stock is shooting up. This was 49 cents all the way up to, again, as high as like 71 cents earlier today. But this company has been very volatile, like you'd expect with any $85 million market cap company, with it being all over the place. It's, gotten as high as $1.57 in the last 52 weeks. And obviously it's down like 67% since those highs. So this is a very volatile company. It's going to continue to be that. They are now going on board with a bigger private company that it sounds like they have some exciting, therapies and cancer treatments and stuff like that going on. Obviously focusing on leukemia, that being the big project. If those phase 2B trials go well, this thing could go crazy. This could be very, just really good, and it could be very profitable. But again, as we know with all of these kind of biotech companies and stuff like that, if the trials go well, things can be good. If trials don't go so well, if they get delayed, if they don't work out, if they end up being too costly, if you don't get approval of stuff, then the stocks really start to plummet fast. So these are very risky, but they're also very interesting, because obviously successful treatments for stuff like leukemia could not only make investors a ton of money, but could also change the world. So it's really interesting and exciting in a lot of different ways. But that is pretty much it for this video today, guys. Definitely drop a like if you did enjoy it. I'd appreciate it so much. Leave a comment down below. What do you think about Adxs stock right now? Are you interested in it for the future? Are you buying, selling, keep it on your watch list? I'd love to hear your guys' thoughts and opinions. Subscribe to stay up to date on my latest content. Hopefully catch you guys in the next one. But until then, peace.